How to see who likes a comment on Instagram. So to see that, all you have to do now, go ahead and open. Now I'll go ahead and open a random post. So I'll just use this post. So as you can see now, under this post, as you can see now, tap on this which says view all comment. This one, tap on this view all comment to see the comment. So as you can see now, it will open the comment for me. So as you can see now, here is the comment now. As you can see now this comment, as you can see now, this person comment got almost 241 likes, as you can see now. So if you want to see the people that like this comment, all you have to do now, long press your hand on this, as you can see now, long press your hand on this section, on the comment section, on the like section. Long press your hand on the like section. So long press and hold. So as you can see now as you can see, here is the people that like this comment on Instagram. As you can see, all these people like this person comment, as you can see now under this likes. So here are the people that like the comment on Instagram. So this is the process on how to see who likes a comment, or your like, or your comment, or someone comment on Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.